Even as coronavirus cases in India continue to surge, urban metro trains have been allowed to resume partial operation. As recession looms in the country, the move is said to be driven by economic factors and could lead to an even bigger spike in infections. But as Neha Punya reports, the government insists that it has put precautions in place.
After 5 long months, India's massive urban train systems have jumped back into life across 4 cities, including here in Delhi. And this is what the daily commute for many Delhi residents will look like. Masks have been made mandatory, and before you can go into the metro station, you need to have your temperature screened, and you will be given a little bit of sanitizer as well, so that you're careful about hand hygiene. But not all trains are operational. Here in Delhi, for example, only 1 out of 10 routes will be running. Trains will be running at 20% capacity, and they'll only operate for 4 hours in the morning and 4 hours in the evening. Additional officials have been deployed at all metro stations to ensure that they can enforce safe distancing on platforms like this one. But safe distancing is also mandatory inside train coaches, where commuters have been asked to ensure they leave 1 seat vacant while sitting. All trains will not stop at all stations. The government has said that those train stations that fall in containment zones or areas with active COVID-19 cases, trains will not be stopping there. The government plans to review the reopening in a few days' time, and it says that if it finds there is overcrowding on stations as well as inside train coaches, it may revoke its order allowing urban train services to resume operations. We spoke to a few passengers and asked them what they made of this new normal, and this is what they told us.
ज़रूरत है, जिसको ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है वो ज़्यादा निकले तो ज़्यादा बेटर होगा. ऐसे भीड़ भाड़ में कोरोना का फैलने में डर है काफ़ी.
But I saw here that they are sanitizing the small bags also with the different sanitizer. So I think it's safe, and I feel comfortable because it's up to you how you are taking precautions.
Apart from Delhi, the states of Karnataka and Kerala have given urban transportation services the green light, but Maharashtra says it's not going to allow metro services to restart just yet. It's the worst hit state in India. Experts have pointed out that it will be tough to enforce and implement safe distancing round the clock on trains like these, and that cities like Delhi should now prepare for an even bigger surge in COVID-19 cases in the days ahead. But clearly the government is feeling the pressure of a flagging economy. India's economy contracted by 23% between April and June, and the government is clearly hoping that businesses will start getting back on their feet once people start commuting to work again. But the projections for India are grim. It's expected to see 200,000 cases a day by early next year in the absence of a vaccine, and experts say that it's going to be a tightrope walk for the government between saving lives and saving livelihoods in the days ahead. Neha Punya, CNA, New Delhi.